everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 12th to the 16th of January 2026 on Monday. Fear and pain erupt into open conflict, drawing a line that may never be uncrossed. Loyalty and reason are forced into battle. Meanwhile, a secret threatens to collapse completely on Tuesday. Decision is made without consent, changing the course of several lives. A mother reaches her emotional limit. Elsewhere, silence becomes impossible to maintain on Wednesday. Nothing circles even as the dust begins to fall. Pain turns inward, hardening into anger and blame when the truth edges closer. Denial is no longer an option on this day. Family prepare for a moment they never imagined facing soon. Accusations fly and alliances fracture under grief. A looming confession is erupted by a chilling arrival on Friday. Goodbyes are said, but closure remains elusive. Hope backfires quietly while guilt grows heavier. A secret threatens to surface at the worst possible time. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.